Hey, yo, Aquarius. The song that's playing for you is "Coolin' with My Ruger." So I don't know if it's a situation where you just passionate about something and you feel me. It's like you kind of marinating in your passion right now. I don't know if it's something that you've manifested and you can actually taste, touch, smell, or you feel me. You could engage with through one of your senses with this. Or if it's just like you in a relationship and you passionate about your relationship, or you passionate about your job, you passionate about your career path. It's like you're passionate about something and you're dwelling in it. You feel me? And it's like the walking on sunshine type shit. And the sunshine in this case is your whatever you're passionate about or whatever you relating yourself with in the current moment. I don't know if that's a relationship or is this just something internal that you associating yourself with and it has you like expressing your character in a passionate manner. You feel me? You real fiery when it comes to this. I don't know what this is, be it a relationship, if that ain't just someone how they feel with you. It's like the whole time you someone's Ruger. You feel me? You the one that someone call when they need that pickup type shit. You feel me? When it's like you the ride or die when someone need to make some shit happen. You feel me? In relation to I don't know what that happening. I don't know what the it is. You get it? But it's if it ain't something that you doing. You know the type of shit you got going on there. Cards out. This is going based off the music. I don't know where you expressing your energies. If it's a situation where you expressing your energies somewhere and it's just like you real passion and it's just like the passion can be felt and or seen through the expression that you carry in relation to that. If it just ain't just you and your partner when y'all go out, it's just like it's almost like y'all are some sort of example when it comes to the couples around you. You feel me? Let's say you and your friend group going like a double date or quadruple date. So they bring it's like two other couples, and then the other two couples are looking at y'all relationship, and they looking at how y'all relationship and how y'all kind of move and maneuver through the expression that is the space of the relationship. How y'all passion is, and it's almost like it's inspiring. It's almost you get it. I don't know what it is though. Okay, I don't know what your Ruger. I don't know what your blower is. You feel me? I don't know what you outside doing if you outside. Got a nigga foaming out the mouth. God damn it. You know the type of shit you got going on, cousin. I don't know where your energy at. That's just going based off the music. If that ain't how someone is viewing your energy. Whole time you ain't know you was someone's ride or die for real. You feel me? You just thought y'all was cool. Look, the song is playing is Freak Like Me. I'm telling you. I don't know what it is that got you in a certain type of pocket. You feel me? When it comes to it's you get real freaky when it comes to this. When it comes to your creative energy. When they put it, it's like when you know how motherfuckers be like, oh yeah, they hop on the booth. Or, you know, motherfucker do music for real when you hear them freestyle and the way they just be kind of on the beat. It's like that. I don't know what it is. If you just in flow state. You know what the fuck you got going, cousin. Let me turn that shit down for copyright purposes. Yes, and then you know what come out? The Nine of Hearts. Yeah, you fiery. You real fiery about that. It got you going places. If it's the internal traveling, your mind is I mean, it's just like you getting so again, you're creative. You real freaky when it comes to the creative expression of this. I don't know what this is, but you know how to take that and bring it there. I don't know where that and there is. You feel me? It's like motherfucker got motion. You get it? I don't know in relation to what concept. You feel me? I don't know what category of your life we talking about. If it's just when it come to your family, it's just like when you and your family outside, and then you see the way the light brighten up. It's like when you and your family outside. It's like, oh yeah, you feel me? It's just like there's a certain fume. Aquarius, you know the type of shit you got going on, cousin. I don't know where you spending your time, but yeah, you spending a lot. You giving that a lot of mind. That shit get a lot of brain juice. And then look, the Two of Wands. Yes, it's like you found some sort of it's like sturdiness in this. I don't know what this is. I don't know what the ground that you've built or whatever you've sustained the concept on. You believe in this and you believe in this because of that. I don't know what that structure is that has built the foundation for this mindset to stand on. If it's like a perspective on a relationship, you believe in this concept of relationships because you've experienced this type of relationship. I don't know the type of relationship that you experienced, but that shit got you feeling good. You feel me? In relation to, I don't know what you're doing, but that shit's solid. Cousin, that shit's solid. Cousin, that shit's solid. It's solid. You know, I ain't telling you shit you don't know. It's the Two of Wands. That's your passion. It's like you're following the calling of the soul when it comes to this. I don't know what that means for you, Aquarius. I don't know where you spending your time or where you spending your mind. If it's you spending your physical time or you spending your spiritual mind. You giving something your energy. Yeah. Damn, I'm telling you, look, when you get in your bag, it's the creativeness, the creative expression when it comes to the doing. And can't nobody hop on the mic and freestyle the way Aquarius freestyle. You get it when it comes to this. It don't gotta be a mic, Aquarius. You could just be in this. Let's say, motherfucker, you be with the paintbrush and you feel me when you do the little art. Yeah, man, can't nobody work the brush like you. What's that nigga name when we was all kids back in the day and he used to have us in the crib thinking we could all pick up a palette and just get the paint, and I forgot old buddy name. Yeah, can't nobody do it like that, nigga, though. You get it? I don't know what the energy is. Can't nobody hop on reading. Can't nobody reading Rainbow the way that nigga reading Rainbow. You get it. You get it. I don't know what it is, but it just, yeah, cause you can take that shit anyway. It's, you feel me, Aquarius? Shit, you might be fucking with a Capricorn, cause Capricorn was doing good business too, cousin. If Capricorn ain't your business partner, you feel me, in relation to, you don't gotta be dealing with no, it's just good business. Yeah, and motherfuckers ain't going nowhere fast. It's like, again, I said you might be dealing with a Capricorn. It's like shit real, like it's like you're on cruise control right now in relation to, and if it ain't just a situation where someone don't know how to approach you, because if you're dealing with somebody outside you, someone don't know how to approach you because they can't rush you. It's like someone can't push you. I don't know what that may mean, and not only that, but Aquarius, listen. I don't know what it is, what this is, that kind of got you like, I said this for Capricorn, you might be dealing with a Capricorn, something got you kind of stopping the smelling the roses. This type of shit where you just admiring the scenery while you walk around and you just getting inspiration. I don't know what it is that is doing that for you though. If you're in a situation where you in a relationship and it's just like this relationship is slow, but it's like it's a good type of slow. You feel me? This type of shit, this type of shit you marinating in, getting all the juices, all the flavors inside before you just like you get it. What song is this? On Bullshit. On BS is a song that's playing with you. Again, if it just ain't the space, because Ace of Wands is on the bottom, where someone just can't approach you with no bullshit. I got street smarts and you can't get this out no book. Yeah, look, if you dealing in a situation, Aquarius, somebody might not want to stop fucking with you, Aquarius. Keep it a buck with you. And you might see this in more than one way. It's like you could see all the sides of this coin or this die. You know how motherfuckers be like, oh, you got a 6-sided die, you got this. It's almost like you could have developed a mind or a perspective on this, but this ain't. But it's almost like someone can't just come and express themselves to you any old way. And someone might want to express themselves to you though. It's like someone ain't over the cycle with you. If you're in a situation where you in a cycle with somebody, let's say you're in a relationship and you and your partner were on a certain type of endeavor together as a couple. Y'all were doing something, and you might be in a situation where you're now trying to find a new way of to express yourself in that lane as a couple, but your partner might not be over the way you were expressing it previously. It's almost like they could have liked what you were how you were doing it before, and now you're in a situation where you're changing how you do it, or you're finding a new way to do it. You're finding a way that kind of resonates with you more, or it just sits better with you. You get it? And in order to find that, you got to try something different. I don't know what the different is, but it's like now your partner in a relationship or in the space with you, and it's like they know they can't just tell you to do it how you were doing it before, but they're not, at the same time, they're not over what it was before. Even though what it was before wasn't a truth. I don't know what that means for you, Aquarius. That's if you're dealing with somebody outside of you. Now, if it's your own energy, it's like you're not going nowhere. What the fuck that mean for you? It's like, why go somewhere when this can take you everywhere? Yeah, look, and then you got the Knight of Cups. It's like motherfuckers ain't moving fast, but you moving calculated. You're moving emotionally aware. You know how you feel. I'm on. Hold on, let me turn this up. This resonates.
Oh, man, who needs that? Let me put my window down. I need fresh air. We don't want that. We want bars. The reason why we listen to 21 in the Boy.
In the
That's
Boy.
what we do in Paris. We don't do Fashion Week. Fashion Week is for the last decade. It's not for us.
Fashion Week is for the last decade. Okay, it's like someone wants you to go back to Fashion Week. It's like someone wants you to show out. Hold on, this shit resonates. I could let this nigga do the reading.
Car V12. I drive a 4-cylinder.
I'm doing something, and you cannot catch my drive.
As fast as you try to go, you will never catch me, man. There is only one way, and this way I'm driving, nobody can do it. I'm Birdman.
I'm telling, yo. All right, buddy, relax.
In Paris.
Buddy, all right, relax. I'm Birdman. All right, buddy, relax. All right, but yeah, it's like that energy. It's like you solid where you at. Can't nobody do you like you do you. Baby, welcome to the party. The song is playing is Welcome to the Party. Yeah, and someone might be tore up about that. Someone might be tore up about that because you can't move. It's like you're not moving. It's like when I move, you move. Just like that, but you not moving when they move. I don't know who the fuck they are. It's not working. Not only is it not working, but you're just becoming more emotionally aware when it comes to the association or the relation of this. I mean, look at the way you are. This like a don't judge a book by its cover type shit. Yeah, look, someone might be towed up. Because it's like a world is falling apart. The Lovers or the world and the Sun in reverse, and that's all the way outside of your space. And it's like someone needed you to step on a bear trap. I don't know if what that may mean, but you can't step on a bear trap if you're not outside. What you need to go to the woods for? I don't know how that relates to you, Aquarius. I don't know what you got going on, but it's like you're expressing yourself in a more emotionally aware or an emotionally developed manner in relation to this. I don't know what this is, and that is taking you places. It's opening the doors of some sort of creative expression, or it's just giving you more options in terms of how you can relate your emotions, how you can associate a feeling, how you can share a feeling. You got different flavors. You get it? It's welcome to the party. It's like you're a host at a party and you have different rooms in the party to attune to different energies. Anybody's welcome. Anybody, but not everybody. And everybody might be a little upset because they're not anybody anymore. I ain't know what the fuck that mean for you, cousin. Hey, you going places. I'm gonna fight with you.